This is a basic requirement to determine whether it has a high application in Tesla factories or not. Honestly, to move in a complex factory environment, sensors and cameras must be extremely sensitive in recognizing movement paths, as well as working diagrams of department areas. In all versions of the Optimist, it has a screen on its face that displays information, presumably as a replacement for speaking. However, like a Tesla car, instead of eyes, it has 8 autopilot cameras used to understand its surroundings, along with sonar and radar sensors that allow it to create a map of a 360 degrees in its surroundings. All will connect with FSD and neural networks to form awareness in determining direction. Tesla's FSD is an expensive software, costing somewhere around 12 grand, and it's emerging as a new breeze in fully automated driving for electric vehicle models. So does it really work against Optimus? Yeah, the answer is definitely yes. FSD software will use data from cameras to determine the location of objects around the robot, such as machines and people. It'll also use data from ultrasonic sensors to detect nearby objects.